How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George here at Wicked Warnings with a couple of twins for a new security company. On the left there, we've got a 2019 Chevrolet Trax. And on the right, we've got the Ford Fiesta. They're still making it. Both of these brand new vehicles, both of them dual use vehicles also. As you can see, we've got a permanent mount 23-inch mini Whelen LED bar on the roof. That's our amber warning. Our 360 visible roof light bar. That's set up on one of the switches on our Mini 6 control panel. And as you can see on another switch on the control panel, we've got a green-white display. There isn't really an interior light bar made for either one of these platforms, so we special ordered a dual head windshield light, and we put one on each side. We ordered it in a white and a green. And as you can see, we've got the pattern set just a little bit faster on that Fiesta because that is our pursuit vehicle. So when we're involved in high-speed incidents, they send out the Fiesta, and that'll get the job done. The Trax is the prisoner transport vehicle for these security for the local mall. And when you're in a real critical situation, you could run everything at once like this if you prefer to. And there's no camera tricks there. That's just how bright it is. I can dial back the ISO, and there you can see kind of exactly what we're dealing with. We did do a treatment around the back of these cars also, so let me show you that right now. All right, so out back here, we special ordered a 6-head all green LED warning stick, and we can order that for you as well. Just send in an email for the windshield lights or the rear stick. They are both special order items. The roof light bar on the roof, that amber one, now that's an in-stock item always at Wicked Warnings, but the green sticks, they're going to be special order, so make sure you email. But both of these vehicles got the 6-head stick in the back deck on the Fiesta and right from the headliner on the Chevy over here. We did it that way on the Trax because, as you can see, if they needed to get in the back for some of their emergency supplies or their bunker gear or maybe whatever they have back there, when they open the hatch, they're not going to lose their light. The light's just going to cascade back at a maximum brightness because now the window tint isn't stopping it at all. As you can see here inside the Trax, we've also got the ticket light from Sound Off Signal. Both of the vehicles got this feature, and this light goes red or white, depending on what you're looking for. If you want a bright white light, you got that. And if you're doing some secret covert security ops, you can turn on the red light and illuminate the vehicle in red also. You can see here, we didn't leave the Fiesta out of the party. This is probably going to be the commander's car, the supervisor's car, I'm sure. So we made sure to get him a red light also, so he can have his covert secret operations at night, just like the Trax. Here we are inside the Trax. You can see where we mounted our Mini 6 control panel right here. Got it set up very easy. Just a main power button. We've got front, light bar, rear, and a pattern changer. Very simple operation. Very easy to use for anybody that was running with this car. Here in the Fiesta, space was a little bit tighter, so we went down here right by the gear shifter. We have the same setup, front, light bar, rear. Very easy to operate with the pattern change right here. Very easy to get to right down there by the shifter. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you need to get yourself one of these very cool ticket lights, give us a call. Make sure you check the description underneath the video for links to all of these purchases. And as always, like, subscribe, drop a comment, let me know you're listening, and let us know what you want to see more of. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.